to ITS Tactile and the next knot of the week video. Today we're going to be showing the 4-strand crown knot, and this is done with 2 pieces of paracord. These are each about 2 feet long. So the first step in this is to take your 2 pieces of paracord and find the halfway point on each of them. Once you have your halfway points, meet those up together and make an X. And with this X, you're going to take the strand that's laying on top and you're going to wrap it around once. And this is going to form the base of your crown knot. After you've got your first wrap, you take the second strand and you're going to weave it through the first in a kind of a cross pattern here. So you'll go under this, here's one side, you'll take your second line and go underneath this section. And there's your first pattern here for the crown knot. And once you have the pattern for the first strand of the crown knot, you're going to flip it over and continue your pattern. So you go over the left, down from the top, over to the right, and weave under. And tighten your knot. And you'll see that you're making the same pattern as you had before. Now I've shown this today with 2 different colors of paracord so you can get a better idea of how the knot actually stacks up on the side when you're looking at it from the side view. And you'll see this as we continue what the pattern can do here. So this time we'll come over here, down there, up here, over there. The pattern will kind of follow itself naturally, so it's hard to get mixed up with which direction you start tying from after you've made your first couple of knots here. Okay, so now we've got a couple of strands here, and you can start to see from the side angle here what this knot's looking like. Alright, so let's continue the pattern. Tighten. Okay, I'm going to do one more so you can see everything that's going on one more time, and then I'll pause the camera and tie this the rest of the way so you can see what the finished product looks like and how to finish off the knot. Just tighten this up one more time. It's important to tighten as you go, or your knot will start looking kind of disheveled as you continue this. Alright, so now by looking at the side angle here, we can see the pattern starting to form. And the 4-strand crown knots are great for making a pull tab for a knife or just a keychain lanyard. and you can shove a keychain right into the base of this here. It also will tighten up the knot and make it more compact if you gut your 550 before making this. So we'll take a pause here, and I'll tie this the rest of the way, and I'll show you how to finish it off. Okay, we're back, and we have 4-strand crown knot finished. And all we're going to do at this point, once we reach the last tie here, is just double check our ends, make sure they're all tight. And we see we have one end that's a little short here, so we'll just start there with how to finish this off. All you're going to do is take some scissors, snip off the ends of your paracord, take a lighter, just give that a little burn there. Just press it with the lighter or your finger right into itself. Alright, keep going. Here's the next one. Our last side here. There we go. That's how to finish off our 4-strand crown knot. Now if you wanted to tie this onto a lanyard, you'd obviously leave the ends on. If you're placing it on a knife or something like that. But for use as a keychain, you definitely want to trim off the ends here, and you just weave your keychain right into the base here. And there you have it. ITS Tactical's Knot of the Week, 4-strand crown knot. Thanks for watching.